My name is Artur Bogdanowicz and I am adjunct at the Faculty of Mechanical and Electrical Engineering at the Polish Naval Academy in Gdynia. Until today, I have been cooperating with the Navy in diagnosis of marine diesel engines used on warships. My whole career was connected with the warship in the 3rd Coastal Defense Flotilla in Gdynia. My entire military career was related to the ships on the 3rd Coastal Defense Flotilla in Gdynia. In 2002, after being promoted to the first officer rank, I started my master studies at the same faculty. In 2004, after the duty assignment, I was sent to serve in the auxiliary unit squadron at the 3rd Flotilla on ships on the Orpelech salvage ship as a main engineer. In 2007, I was promoted to the rank of naval lieutenant and took the position as the chief engineer on the Piast salvage ship. In 2017, I started working at Polish Naval Academy, where I work until today. Salvage ships are special vessels designed to perform underwater works and provide assistance to submarines. During my duty, I was responsible for the technical condition of the main propulsion. As crew, we operate low-speed Sulzer marine diesel engines. There were no major problems with these engines. At the end of my service on ship, I became involved as an operator of the Falcon underwater vehicles. Thanks to this, I could get to know the work of divers in the detail. Underwater vehicles assist the divers during the underwater work, and they are very helpful during the inspection and recovery of sunken items and small vessels. Thanks to this, I have learned how to interpret sonograms from the sonars. Technical competence is crucial for cadets and young professionals to have a strong foundation in the technical knowledge and skills related to their specific roles on board the ship. This includes understanding the ship's system, navigation, procedures, machinery operation, safety protocols, and emergency response procedures. Communication skills is essential for working in a team-oriented environment on board a ship. Strong verbal and written communication skills enable individuals to convey information clearly, actively listen to others, and collaborate effectively with their colleagues. Cadets and young officers should demonstrate problem-solving skills, show initiative in finding solutions, and be able to make well-informed decisions under pressure. Collaboration and teamwork are vital for a smooth operation on board a ship. Cadets and young professionals should exhibit the ability to work effectively within a team, support their colleagues, and contribute to positive work culture. Leadership skills such as taking initiative, motivating others, and displaying good judgment are also valued. Safety is the paramount importance in the maritime industry. Individuals should demonstrate a strong commitment to safety practices, adhere to regulation and procedures, and actively contribute to creating a safe working environment for themselves and others. Mentorships provides an opportunity for the level entry professional to learn from the experience and expertise of a more expertise mentor. Mentors can share their knowledge, provide guidance and other practical insights to help the mentee develop their technical skills and industry-specific knowledge. Mentors can provide valuable career advice, the guidance to help the level entry professional navigate their career path. They can share insight about different roles, opportunities, and potential career trajectories within the maritime industry. Mentors can also assist in setting goals, identifying development areas, and creating a career development plan. Mentors often have established networks and connections within the industry. They can introduce the level entry professional to relevant industry contacts, provide networking opportunities, and open doors for potential career advancement or growth. Building a strong professional network is crucial for long-term career success. Mentor can offer emotional support, encouragement, and motivation to the level entry professional. Then can provide a safe space for a mentee to discuss challenges, seek advice, and receive constructive feedback. Mentors can also serve as role models, demonstrating professional values and behaviors that the mentee can aspire to. This situation happened in 2010 on the board Piast salvage ship. We conducted underwater works on one of the wrecks sunk in the Baltic Sea. These works were carried out jointly with the Gdańsk Maritime Museum. We used a crane to lift the 17th century cannons from the bottom of the sea. The cannons were placed in special brine containers. In order to direct them well, they were guided to the last phase of positioning in the special box. Suddenly, the belt snapped and the cannon hung centrally above the people holding the ropes. At the last moment, the sailor jumped back and then the cannon crashed against the deck, causing consternation among all people. As it turned out later, the slide had not been checked properly before being attached to the load. Unfortunately, nothing happened to anyone. Always check the equipment before use and remember that the safe comes first. Gender stereotypes and biases can create barriers for women in the maritime industry. There is a perception that certain roles, particularly those requiring physical strength or long periods at sea, and more suitable for men. This can result in women being overlooked for opportunities or facing discrimination in recruitment, promotion and career advancement. The underrepresentation of women in leadership positions and visible roles within the maritime industry can hinder progress towards gender equality. The absence of female role models and mentors makes it difficult for aspiring women to envision themselves in successful maritime careers and can limit their career inspiration. The traditional work environment and culture in the maritime industry can be male-dominated, with ingrained norms, behaviors, and practices that may be unwelcoming or exclusionary towards women. This can contribute to a lack of inclusivity, equal treatment, and difficulties in integrating women into industry. The nature of maritime work, which often involves long periods away from home and irregular schedules can present challenges for women with family commitments. Balancing work responsibilities with family obligations such as childcare and caregiving can be particularly demanding for women in the maritime industry. Safe and security concerns issues both on board ship and in the ports can pose additional challenges for women in the maritime industry. Concern about personal safety and potential harassment or discrimination can deter women from pursuing careers at sea or in male-dominated environments.